So, hi everyone, thank you so much for over 150 views on the last video, how to make custom cursor on Windows. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own custom cursor that is a picture. So, first, go to the search box and type custom cursor for Chrome. Once you type it, click enter and click the first link. It is an extension. Click add to Chrome and add extension. To make it become a picture, first launch the app and click upload cursor. Click the plus button and upload just anything you want. Don't make it more than 128 times 128 pixels. So I have uploaded my two pictures. So once you finish uploading, go back to the app. You can pin it if you want and click the My Collection. And then you got your custom cursor. So I hope you enjoyed the video and please leave a like and subscribe and bye.